When it comes to selecting a tape measure, I'm quite fussy with my choices, but the Stanley Tylon tape measure range ticks a lot of the boxes for me. The range includes a 3, 5 and 8 meter measuring tape, so whether you're working on small projects, measuring up larger boards, or measuring a room, there's a length for you. These tape measures are built tough. The rubberized body protects it from damage and adds grip even when your hands are wet. And the special Tylon coated blade provides added wear resistance and durability. The blades are curved and rigid with a 1 meter standout on the 3 meter, a 1.5 meter standout on the 5 meter, and a 1.8 meter standout on the 8 meter. This extra standout comes in very useful when working on your own. The blades are clearly marked and have a true zero hook on the front to ensure an accurate measurement. The hook's movement accommodates for the thickness of the hook when measuring with the hook on the inside or outside of a line. But take care when retracting the tape. Let it in slowly so you don't damage the hook. The 20-degree marking on this blade indicates the temperature at which this tape measure will be accurate to the millimeter. Because this blade is made of steel, it will expand at the rate of 1.6 millimeters per 10 meters per 10 degrees. This means that at 30 degrees, this 5 meter tape measure will be 0.58 millimeters longer, which is nothing to worry about. Overall, a brilliant tape measure that I keep close at hand at all times. Now, this is just one of the tape measures available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.